Lining multiple size furnaces with refractory installation and vibration system. If you have more than one size former, you will use this tutorial to learn how to adjust the system to line various size, former diameters. Selecting the correct floor vibrator plate. If your system was newly manufactured by Gradmatic, each plate will be numbered and correspond with the furnace sizes. This information will be included in your operating and job safety instruction manual. In this video, we have two sizes of vibrator plates. Plate number 1 will line the furnace floor sizes of 37 inches OD furnace former. Plate number 2 will line the furnace floor sizes of 42 inches and 47 inches OD furnace former. Select the bottom vibrator plate required for the furnace size you are lining and follow the instruction in your operation and job safety manual and the videos. Furnace floor preparation, floor vibrator operation, and bottom plate cleanup. Adjusting the refractory installation system to the dimensions of the furnace former you are lining. When a RIS is built for multiple former ODs, the RIS base will have adjustable extender legs. When the extender legs are fully retracted, this is home position. The home position is always the smallest OD former. Depending on the number of former ODs the RIS is built for, there will be corresponding adjustment holes in the RIS extender legs. To adjust the extender leg positions, connect all 4 sling chains to the wrist and to the overhead hoist hook. Check that the hooks are securely fastened and raise the RIS. With the RIS suspended and prior to setting the form on the former, make the following adjustment to the RIS base. Step 1. Remove the extender leg locking pin. Step 2. Slide the extender leg out to the required larger position. In this case, we will move the legs to position number 2. Step 3. Replace the locking pin. Repeat the adjustment for all 4 extender legs and lock them in position for the size of the furnace to be lined. Step 4. Slowly and cautiously lift the RIS with the overhead crane or suitable device. Never lift the RIS over another operator. Doing so may result in injury. Step 5. When placing RIS on top of form, ensure that the extender legs are sitting securely on the rim of the former. Follow the instruction in your operating and job safety manual and the videos. RIS operation number 7 through RIS cleanup and storage number 13. Prior to storing the RIS after use, return all RIS extender legs to the home position. Adjusting the sidewall vibrator unit to vibrate multiple sizes of furnace formers. When a 3-legged vibrator is built for multiple former IDs, there will be an adjustment hole in each vibrator leg for each size former ID. All vibrator leg pull pins must be set in the same location for proper operation. Prior to moving the 3-legged vibrator to the furnace site, change the position of each vibrator leg to suit the former ID of the furnace being lined. This vibrator has 3 leg positions. Number 1 is always the home position for the smallest former diameter. This unit also has a position 2 and position 3 for larger diameter furnaces. Attach the overhead hoist to the lifting lug and place enough upward lift on the unit to remove tension on the legs and the spring arms, thus allowing you to make adjustments to the legs. Change the pin position 1 leg at a time by Step 1. Remove the cotter pin on the outside of the vibrator leg. Then remove the pull pin from the opposite side of the leg. The vibrator leg and spring arm assembly will now be separated and free to move. Step 2. Using the overhead hoist, lift or lower the vibrator to move the leg in or out. Position the leg to line up the required hole with the spring arm assembly hole. In this video, we will reposition to the number 2 hole on the vibrator leg. Step 3. When the holes are lined up, reinsert the pull pin through the 2 holes. With the pull pin fully engaged, lock the pull pin in place with the cotter pin. Step 4. Repeat steps 1 through 3 to change the pull pin location for each of the remaining legs. Ensuring that the pull pin is placed in the same hole for each leg and the pull pin is securely locked with the cotter pin. The vibrator is now set for larger diameter formers, as the vibrator legs will extend further to vibrate a larger diameter furnace. Continue by following the directions in your operation and job safety manual and videos. Sidewall vibrator setup number 14, vibration tapered section number 15, and vertical sidewall vibration number 16. When vibration is completed, return all 3 vibrator legs to the widest leg position prior to storing for maximum security and stability.